Welcome to today's practice. I'm Anouk, a trauma-informed yoga teacher, and this session is here to help you feel grounded and safe in your body. We will use slow movements, sounds, and the support of the earth to really let those emotions move through us, especially through the legs. And here we draw a little bit from Qigong's wisdom, that what the earth can hold, we don't have to. And that's also, you can remember who you are underneath it all, which is clear, calm, and connected to your divine light. So if you're ready, let's begin. So I invite you to come in a comfortable seat, or maybe stand if that feels better for you today. Letting your hands gently rest on your thighs or on your lower belly. Closing your eyes or softening your gaze. Feel into your body. Feel where you meet the ground. Feel the heaviness of your bones. The quiet rhythm and pulse of your aliveness. And then bring your awareness into your womb right now, or your womb space if you don't have a physical womb anymore. And as you breathe in, imagine a golden light growing bigger as you inhale. And as you exhale, this light grows smaller. Inhale, rise and expand. Exhale, fall and contract. Slow your breathing down, breathing in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again in for 4, 3, 2, 1. And out for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let your breath soften the mind. Notice thoughts as clouds drifting. No need to follow them. Just presence and curiosity. And now open your eyes gently, and we'll begin with some simple eye movements to bring us into the present moment and relax the eyes and the mind, which are under so much strain nowadays. So keeping your head still, and inhale, gazing up. Exhale, gazing down. Inhale, eyes up. Exhale, eyes down. Continue in your own time for around 4 or 5 more times. In your last time. And again, with keeping your head still, now gaze to the left on your inhale and to the right on your exhale. Inhale left, exhale right. If you feel dizzy, just pause and blink and take a breath. One more time. And now let's make some very gentle circles, moving your eyes clockwise. moving with your breath, keeping the breath slow. Changing direction. And the bonus is that eye yoga can boost circulation for a natural glow. And relax, blink a couple times and bring your hands over your eyes, feeling your own energy. And when you're ready, you can lower your hands on your knees. And let's do some Brahmari breaths to calm the nervous system and to release any tension in the jaw, your throat, your face, and also from your womb space, as your throat and your womb are very connected to each other. So you can cover your eyes and your ears, or just simply your ears by pressing gently and then closing your eyes. We will do 5 rounds. Let it come from deep within you. Inhale through the nose. And as you exhale, make that soft humming sound like a bee. Eyes rolled up and in into third eye. 2 more times. Let the sound vibrate in your skull, your throat, your heart, your womb. And now let's make our way into stand and begin to bounce lightly on your feet. Your arms are relaxed and your shoulders and your face soft. Just let your body shake gently, loosening the jaw, the face, the hips. And placing your feet hip width or wider. And let's begin to rise on the toes. And then really drop the heels down with a sound from the belly, from the womb. And let's do this 5 times. Inhale up. Exhale. Really feel like it's coming from your heels, pushing the sound out. Inhale, rise up. Exhale. Let it clear you, let it open your up. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale, up. Exhale. Last time. Inhale, up. Exhale. Just pause. Observe maybe any changes in your body. And now let's step our feet wide. Turn the toes out slightly for horse stance. Your knees are bent, your spine is long. And this posture builds inner strength and steadiness. And now bring your arms overhead with your palm facing the sky. Opening your heart, lifting your chest. Breathing into your womb as we just practice. It might burn and that's okay. Horse stance draws energy down through the legs into the earth. It activates and strengthens the sacral chakra, the lower dantian, your energetic power center. And this supports your vitality, your grounding, and your emotional stability. Breathe into the burn. Life isn't always easy, but your breath is how you stay. Hold for 3 more breaths. Breathe through whatever comes up. Slight smile on your lips. You got this. Exhale, release. Well done. Release your arms, straighten your legs. Now bring your hands to your navel and begin tapping around the belly button with your hands. It doesn't have to hurt, but you can use a little force here. Slap yourself in tenderness. This stimulates the vagus nerve and helps to awaken the gut-brain connection, which helps to support emotional processing and nervous system regulation. Keep tapping. Tap for 1 more full breath cycle. Then place your palms over your belly. Take a deep breath into your hands. And slowly make your way down onto the floor. And come and lay on your right side. Your knees are soft. Your hand is under your head. And bring one hand to your belly. And begin with gentle pulsing in your navel, soft and rhythmic. This simple touch activates the vagus nerve, supports digestion, and invites stuck energy to move. Keep pulsing. And breathe also with it. Don't hold your breath. See if you can allow your belly to soften just a bit more. And then let's roll onto the other side. Same breath, same presence. Again, pulsating into your navel with a little force. You can really feel it. Let the breath move into your belly. And if you feel warmth, maybe more saliva, that means you're doing a great job. And then come and lay on your back. Just observe how you feel. And if you didn't feel anything or you felt a lot of tension, that may mean that there's some energy stuck here. And that's okay, it just means you are invited to practice this a couple times a week and practice deep and soft belly breathing. And when you're ready, come to sit in a cross-legged position, letting your spine grow tall, feeling the weight of your body resting gently on the earth. Let's close with 2 slow breaths together. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. One more time. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, hands to heart. Bow in gratitude. Thank your body for showing up, taking this gentle energy with you into the rest of your day and night. And if this practice helped you land in your body, I'd love to hear how it felt. If you haven't already, please subscribe and share this with a sister who might need it. It really helps this content to reach more women and me to create more free content. Flow with love and peace.